people, we are in Bern. It's really cold. Skiing gloves. Don't look my head. This is Elias' hat, but it's so cold that he gave me a hat. And this is...
It's true, but it's a really cool head.
Yeah, but not on my head because I have a big head. And this is this clock tower. And it's very nice, the center. But it's so cold. Let's go. It's very nice, this center. Elia would go to the Mammut shop.
We have to return on another time.
This is the famous fountain with a lot of people, of course. This is the cathedral. Now we will enter. Yeah. Guten Tag.
Good morning, guys. Buongiorno, dobro jutro. So we speak a lot of languages.
International.
Yeah.
So this is the Blausee. I hope the pronunciation is correct. And it's a lake with a really beautiful color. It is very, very nice. And we are lucky because we have beautiful weather. And
So we can go around the lake. What do you think?
we will go. A lot of people. The water has an amazing color. It's really deep blue-green color. Here you have a beautiful view. I hope you will able to see something with the sun. Wow. Amazing. I will become a photographer. Let's go forward. So maybe here you don't have the sun in your eyes and you see better the lake and the color. But it's colder without the sun. And up there is also a restaurant where you can eat fish from this lake if you want. Amazing. The color. A duck.
It's beautiful, this place, really. So we are here in Kandersteg. We are here in Kandersteg and so we are here in Kandersteg and she's crazy. Now we are here in Kandersteg and now we go to this beautiful mountain. You can see on this ride that we have a special beautiful view. Really, it's amazing. It's something incredible here. And now we go on the top of the mountain
to see the oceans. I hope the pronunciation is correct.
Yeah, it's a beautiful lake and I think here we are, and so let's go.
Switzerland has a beautiful nature and we're enjoying.
Yeah, really beautiful.
Guys, we came to the oceans there and how you see it's frozen and it's really amazing. And a lot of people are skating on the ice and it's really amazing with the mountains all around. It's really nice. Now we will try go on the lake without falling. Let's go on the ice. Will our heroes be able to walk on the ice? Yes, of course we will.
I think that we'll fall down. Okay, so we are on the lake.
Wow, it's so cool. Here's Brooke. Woo. It's fantastic.
Yeah.
We try skate. It's nice to be in a lake, in a frozen lake. Wow. It's beautiful. People is falling. Are you walking on eggs? Are you walking on eggs? Eggs.
Eggs, yeah, maybe.
La, 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 la.
I don't wanna fall down.
Oh, we can play football. Let's go!